Hey everyone, welcome back to The Digital Witch. I'm your host, Katie Bohensky. In today's video, we're diving into the differences between ChatGPT's free version and the paid subscription, also known as ChatGPT Plus. Whether you're wondering if the upgrade is worth it or just curious about what each version offers, I've got you covered. First up, let's talk about the free version of ChatGPT. If you're using the free plan, you get access to the GPT 3.5 model. It's great for everyday tasks like answering questions, casual conversations, or even small projects. But here's the catch. During peak hours, it can be slower, and you might experience some limitations in terms of response time. Now, let's look at what the paid subscription offers. ChatGPT Plus, priced at $20 a month, gives you access to GPT-4, which is more advanced and capable of handling complex queries with more accuracy and creativity. Plus, you'll notice that responses are faster, and you'll get priority access even during the busiest times. So what are the key differences? The free version gives you GPT 3.5, which is fine for basic use, but if you're working on more complex projects or need faster response times, the paid version with GPT-4 is the way to go. Plus, you get priority during peak hours, which is super helpful if you're using ChatGPT a lot. So, which one should you choose? If you're just using ChatGPT for casual use, the free version is probably more than enough. But if you're a professional, a creator, or need AI support for more demanding tasks, then the paid version will definitely give you the edge. Consider starting with the free version to get comfortable with the tool. That's all for today, folks. If you're ready to unlock the full power of ChatGPT and learn more ways to use AI to improve your life, don't forget to subscribe to The Digital Witch. Hit that like button and stay tuned for more AI tips, tech hacks, and magical ways to make your digital life easier. See you in the next video.